She just reported San Diego is grouped into that Southern California region under the new system. The state is tracking ICU capacity, but where do we stand as a county? Fox 5's Kelsey Christensen continues our team coverage live from Kearny Mesa with a look at the numbers. Kelsey.
Hi, Kathleen. Well, the latest numbers from San Diego County show our ICUs at 77% capacity. About 40% of those are COVID-related patients in those beds. Now, our county will fall under the same tight restrictions as the other counties within Southern California, that region, even though some of those counties have more COVID-19 patients in their ICUs. But of course, here in San Diego County, we're still seeing a surge of cases as well as hospitalizations.
The effects of Thanksgiving, they have not yet been felt. They will be felt in a number of weeks.
Governor Gavin Newsom announcing if we don't act now, hospitals will likely become overwhelmed as COVID-19 cases surge and hospitalizations rise. A 3-week-long stay-at-home order will likely take effect in 5 California regions, including Southern California, if ICU capacity drops below 15%.
In these regions where we all reside, 40 million of us, the ICU capacity in all of these regions by the end of this month will drop based on our current projections.
A spokesperson from Sharp Healthcare tells us their ICU beds are about 88% full. Half are filled with COVID-19 patients. San Diego County's latest numbers show 77% of ICU beds are at capacity. About 40% of those are COVID-19 related patients. Heading over to Palomar Medical Center Escondido, a spokesperson says their 36 ICU is at full capacity. A third of those are COVID patients. However, with more spaces on the upper floors, the governor calls Palomar Medical Center one of the state's 11 surge facilities to be on standby and provide more bed space if necessary. Now, even though these tighter restrictions are on the horizon, Governor Gavin Newsom still says there's really a light at the end of the tunnel here because vaccines are coming. He also says the state has 21,000 ventilators available. Reporting in Kearny Mesa, Kelsey Christensen, Fox 5 News.
All right, Kelsey, thank you. Taking a look at the rest of the latest numbers for you. 1,504 new cases of coronavirus were reported in San Diego County today. That is a 6% positive rate out of the tests taken. 5 new deaths were also reported, bringing the county's total to 1,040 San Diegans. Right now, 753 patients are hospitalized with the virus, including 212 in the ICU. 12 new community outbreaks were reported today.